welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is a video on how to curl your hair, not one, but two different ways. I have been wanting to start a YouTube channel.
What? I did 4.
Okay. I have been wanting to start a YouTube channel for about 2 years, but I didn't really have any dedication or anything to do it, but I thought there's really no time like the present, so may as well.
Make dreams come true.
Yeah, so I filmed a video, and it's just over there, so let's get into it.
What I've done already is I've sectioned half of my hair up. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna curl half of this with a curling iron and half straightener, so you guys can see the different types of curls, how you're supposed to do them. It has like a little, I find that it's really quite difficult to not get the like crink in your hair when you do this. Now that this is hot, we're gonna use it. I have it set to 25, which is as hot as it goes. Where you're just gonna grab a little section of hair, not too thick, not too thin. For this side of my hair, I use my right hand, just because of the angle, it's a lot easier. So I bring it like this so the hair is sitting in front of it. And what you're gonna do is you're just gonna wrap it around. And you hold it for about 10 seconds, 10 to 15 seconds, depending on how thick the hair is. So this is first curl, kind of mediocre. Usually takes me a few curls to get into it. This is a pretty big curl. So we're gonna grab another piece again, behind the hair, and you're just gonna wrap it over top. And then hold for about 10 to 15 seconds. So again, what we did, the curling iron is behind your hair, and you're just gonna wrap it around. You hold it. And if you can, try and maneuver your hand so it can catch the hair that was in the curl, so that when you drop it, you can actually hold it for a little bit. Set with heat, so if you hold it and you let go of it, it'll cool down, but it'll hold it. I find that people who have hair that is really thick, they don't hold it enough, and so that's why they don't think their hair can hold a curl. It's because they're not giving it the amount of time to sit and cool down. So this is the first one that I've held for a long amount of time, and it's a lot curlier than the other pieces.
You can see the length difference, at least a couple inches.
The first side of it is done. I did these hairs all in the same direction. If you have shorter hair, I would suggest so I curled this piece and I wrapped it around clockwise. I would suggest taking it, holding the wand a little bit differently, and wrapping it the other way around so that you have curls so they don't lock up like this. They will sort of be like they're not together, and it sort of gives it a deeper look. Now I am going to curl my hair with the straightener. Also, while we're waiting for this to warm up, we're all really bored in this time. This is history. This hasn't happened before. Nobody has experienced this. We are all, we don't really know what to do. I know people, do lots of sports, and they're always busy, being active. I do understand when people, don't know how to relax. So I find that even though this isn't completely relaxing, it's teaching yourself something new, it's showing concentration, and it's something fun to do. So now the straightener is heated up. What we're gonna do is just take a little piece of hair again. Now I find almost this is a little bit more difficult than if you were to curl with the wand, but this is much faster, because you don't have to hold the hair for like 15 seconds. So again, same little thin piece of hair. Now what we're gonna do is we're going to clip this, just put it straight onto the hair, and you're gonna pull down a little bit as you're twisting, about a half twist. So it's half twisted, and then you're going to pull down again and half twist that, pull down again, half twist, pull down again, half twist, and then you're left with this. So we're going to do that again, just because I feel like I didn't really describe that good enough. So take a little piece of hair, just a little inch worth of hair. You're going to go in with the straightener straight in, and you're going to pinch it. You're going to twist it about halfway, and you're going to grab it at the bottom and pull down. and then you're going to twist it again, pull down a couple inches, twist it, pull it down one more time, and just go through the whole thing. And then that gives us 2.5 to 3 loops of hair. That is twisted. So I'll show you guys one more piece. I'm going to twist this one the other way to show you guys how to do it the other way. So same thing, you're just going to go in, and then instead of twisting back, we're going to twist forward. So twist forward, a half turn, keep slowly twisting, and then do a big twist. Pull down, twist one more time, and then there we go. So I'm going to go ahead and finish the other pieces and then show you guys the end product. So now I have finished the straightening side. I'll sit up a bit. We can see that the straightening side is actually quite a bit longer than the one that we curled with the curling wand. This one you can see that there are more straight pieces, and this one not as much. Looking at it now, I find that the curling one gives you more like a put together sort of curl, and this one just gives you sort of loose, some of them look curled, some of them aren't, type of thing. Now I'm going to go ahead and curl this entire side of my head with the straightener, and then this entire side with the curling wand, and then you guys can decide which side you like better. So now I have finished both sides of my hair. Looking at it together, you can't really tell if you like do a little quick glance, but if you look at it from this side, these are pretty tight curls. And if you look at this one, they're definitely more loose and curled more down at the bottom, not so much like at the top. And you can also tell with the length, it's at least like 1.5 to 2 inches different.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video.
Make sure to leave a like, a subscribe, and also turn on those post notifications to see next week's video.
Yes, next week's video is going to be Sophia, my little sister, who's, you know, taller than me, but it's fine. She's going to be braiding my hair, but the braid itself is going to remain a secret, so I guess you're just gonna have to see the video to find out.
Make sure to turn on the post notifications.
We already said that. Bye!